In this video, I will show you how to create text outline effect in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, create a project in Canva, then add text. I am already add text in my project. Uh, See, it's plain text. I will create a outline text effect. First of all, select the text, then click on effect, then click on hello effect. See, this outline effect is created. You can adjust the thickness as well. You can also sense the color. If you want, you can sense also the font. Let me show you. That's it. That's how you can create outline text effect in Canva. Thanks for watching this video. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel.